Hi everyone, this is Dr. Saloni from Yapita Health India. Today I am here at Paris Hospital with my patient from Uganda, Baby Paige, for a bone marrow transplant treatment.
Hello friends, my name is Dr. Gaurav Dixit. I am a hematologist and bone marrow transplant specialist. Bone marrow transplant is a procedure in which we replace diseased bone marrow with a normal bone marrow, and it's a very important part of treatment of sickle cell disease. Sickle cell is a very debilitating disease, and patients have a lot of complications if it is not treated on time. And we have just treated a patient from Uganda, MP, and she has done well. She's free of her disease, and I would welcome father to share his experience. Thank you.
Hello, greetings. My name is Mike from Uganda. I'm a father to a child of 3 years that was diagnosed with sickle cell, and seriously, it hasn't been easy, but with God, all things are possible. There's a lot of trauma and pain. There's a lot of tears, big spending, moving abruptly here and there. But if you hang on to God, you can win. I just want to thank God that I landed on to Yapita Health, and then these guys connected us to Dr. Dixit, Gaurav, right here in India, and our daughter is being worked upon. I believe she's going to be fine. In fact, she's already fine because she's no longer taking the medicine capsules, piercing, whatever that was really traumatizing has gone away. It's nowhere to be seen because of these people's work. So I really want to appreciate Dr. Dixit, Gaurav, and the team. There's a lady called Dr. Sukriti. They have a very good medical team, some beautiful ladies that we are working upon my daughter, and there's a lot of victory. I just want to say there's victory. There's always hope. So if you're really going through such a bad experience of sickle cell, anything to do with transplant, anything to do with blood, please reach out to Dr. Dixit and the team. You're going to be sorted. Thank you.